Okay, I know you guys know I've been super duper surprised about this engine already. Super. And I'm loving it. I asked God today, I was like, God, please give me something to lift my spirits. And He answered my prayers. Okay, wait. Let's go back to 2019 and see what caused me to go this route. Alright, we're going to pause this music for a minute. I'm taking this in really hard right now. So, took that bad boy out because I had like a weird noise and thought it was the bottom end, but I can't really see anything wrong with bearings or anything. So anyway, I took it out. I think it was something in the head. Took it out, got everything disassembled, and still haven't found anything. So instead of putting that shit back together, I'm gonna do the big build. You know, might as well. It's the only way to go now.
It's going down.
It's going down. So it is happening. Engine bay is about to get sanded, and I got my boy Darren over here helping me out. Hey, so but the whole car is gonna get sanded down now. I'm going with a different color. Not telling anybody what it is. The engine bay is gonna be a different color. The engine is gonna be a lot different. So yeah, a lot of stuff is about to happen. A lot of stuff is about to happen. And here it's starting right here, right now, right here. Bye-bye bumper. Hello to a new build here. And look at David's son. Mi amor! Mi amor David! Mi amor Eugene! The cavalry is here. Yeah, but we're about to start this thing, so nothing much. Upstairs.
Okay, I gotta go.
Hello. How's it going?
Hello.
Good. What's happening, man?
Nothing much. Sandbar gang.
I hear you. Well,
Oh,
I
yeah.
got you something
You
here.
bought me a gift. Oh, look at that thing. Might not even use
Good
this.
work.
But here we go. We're gonna start. Alright. This side off. Gonna sand it. Get ready to put everything back on. Take it to the other side. Keep. This turned into a project that, you know, kind of went crazy. So it's okay. But it's gonna be good at the end. Just wait. Just wait.
It's just hilarious.
Hey, that video was nice, whoever that guy was. But yeah. You see, yeah. I got
At
big
number
things going
5,
on.
we have the China Scoop.
Alright, I'm back in the garage. I can wipe the screen off. Filming with the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. I took my fenders off. See, got them off here. I bought another subframe for really cheap. Came with all Cusco arms and pretty much rack and pinion come with it. Little more stuff, but I'm gonna put this subframe on. I'm gonna take this one off, and I might just paint this one too while it's already off. As you can see, there's no rust on this side. I had a little surface rust here, so I just had some primer in a can that I put over so it didn't rust back up while I was waiting. Strut tower mounts look pretty good. This was this surface rust from the old strut tower brace bar that was on top. I'm gonna finish sanding this freaking engine bay, take the booster out. I might not get to primer today, but I gotta primer my Nismo rear bumper, Nismo front bumper. Got a different hood. I gotta take my wing off, well the blade part of it, and take it off, sand it, and then I gotta, you gotta do your prep work. You gotta mask all this up. The wheels gotta get masked, gotta tape all the wiring harness. So I got some work to do here. I mean, I might just do a lot of preparation work today and a little bit more sanding and whatnot. But after I get all that done, then I'll mix my primer and get ready to apply it to the car and to the parts that's going to be put on. But on this side, I noticed that this right here was a little rusty. You probably can't see it. I don't know, this camera has pretty good low light. Got a little rust spot there and here. But I also noticed that this drain, it was stopped up full of dirt, leaves, and everything else. So I took a blower and I blew the hell out of it and shot most of it out. Didn't see anything else in there. So what I'm gonna do is spray some rust stop in there, cause I mean it's gonna be a hell of a deal to take this panel off. You have to remove all the rivets, not the rivets, but the spot welds. And I'm not gonna do that. So also notice that this part right here, this is like a known thing on 33s to rust here a little bit. So I'll sand that down, get ready for primer on that, take all the rust off of there. But other than that, there's no rust anywhere else. No rust in there, no rust under here. So I'm happy for that. Take this off, sand it in a little bit. This is the piece that goes here. It goes on this section of it. Also, there's no rust in here. Inside of my wiper cowl. So I'm gonna take off my brake booster, take it off. The freaking master for the clutch. I already took out the ABS one. I'm just gonna wrap all this up in either plastic or newspaper, and I'm just gonna wrap it up and take this black piece off the cover of the firewall, excuse me, and wrap my wheels up, which they're sold, by the way, to Smokey Nagata Jr. Sold to him. If you know Smokey Nagata, the top secret owner, pretty much. If you don't know, look it up. And we have a guy at work. He's my troop. His last name is Nagata. So I just gave him the thing that he's Smoking Nagata's son. But I told a few people that, and it's just a joke. He's not Smoking Nagata's son, but he does kind of look like him. He's pretty iffy on that part. Nagata, you do look like Smokey, a little bit chotto. Let's see, but that part is well. I think I'm taking my lights out. Probably just gonna put freaking tape over it, sand this white section of it. But I do have the light with the fog lamp on the back of it, and it just goes on this right side. I think I might swap that part out, if anything. I'll tape over my GTR trunk emblem, and I mean, it's a lot of prep work that you have to do to paint a car. People don't know this, but this shit takes a lot of work. Like all your lights, prepping over all that, you taping, masking, all that stuff off. Later on, I'm gonna change my window seals because this one has a little bit of rust, typically here, there, and a little bit there, but that's about it. And I'm take that off. Once I get it off, pretty much sand it out pretty good and check and make sure there's nothing else, no more cancer in there. But hey, we're about to make things happen because this car is gonna be way different than what it was before. Like totally 360. But we'll see. Just a little update on where I am. Right now I have pretty much sanded the whole car. All I have to do now is cover the windows each side, cover the driver's side, finish covering the front, pretty much sanded down the front here. So all I'm gonna do is pretty much like cover this with a bag and got those holes covered, and I'm gonna primer the shit out of this. Got some stuff hanging up there, got my lights over there, got the kit here. I might just hit, you know, something small tonight, or I might just primer the whole car tonight, then tomorrow do the kit. Got the wheels covered. Got this done. I hate this bar. I think I'm trying to get another one because this one is rusty. So pretty much sanded, and I've taped my Nissan logo there. And now here's the part that I have to debadge the R. Alright, got it fixed. Came out the hole there. So back to where we were. I know somebody's gonna be like, you're gonna scratch up the car. That's why I got sandpaper for. Got this scratch the whole time anyway. See if she leading more. Maybe I can just pull her off from here. Maybe I can just pull her off from here. Maybe. And there she goes, guys. Oh God. Yeah. The R is off. I'm gonna clean this and I'm gonna prep this paint. I mean not paint but primer. Prep this primer, get ready to hopefully it goes well. Cause we'll see. Gambate.